Hello everyone, another nice sunny day, so I thought I'd go for a ride. We shall off-skis. Put the visor down. Make sure the vents are open because it's very, very warm. Ow, just got a fly go in my eye. Ah. No, that's no good. I've got to pull over. That's stuck in my crash helmet again. Shit horses. I think we'll go up to the castle. That'd be a good place to stop and have a quick rest. Over the jump. Whoa! Makes your stomach go funny. Oops! Someone stuffed it in a tree. Yeah, got a bug on my visor. Wait, that can't be on the inside, surely. Oh. Visor up. Well, he's certainly not doing 15 miles an hour. Hello. Is it alright if I just pull over and stop for a rest for a minute? I've been out for a ride. Yeah, cool. I always like to check just in case. Alright, thank you. It's always the right thing to do. Oh. basically waved to the little man in the shed. Now, I've been up here like 4 times, and that's the only time I've ever actually seen someone in the shed. I guess it's because it's daytime. Normally when I'm coming up here, it's about anywhere between 6 and 9 o'clock at night. So that would probably explain it. But it's nice that you could just go in and have a look around and use the cafe or the bar or whatever, get a drink, and then disappear again. Or if you want, you can book yourself in for a room, as the lady said to the man in the car in front of me. Or you can stop and have a holiday if you want. You could. I bet it cost a fair bit though. I bet they are not cheap. Okay. So, close my visor, eliminate the wind sounds. You can't park there! That's a big lean. Jesus fucking Christ, man! Police. I'm going to put my foot down just in case. Into the great blue yonder. I wonder if I'll see a deer around here again. Did the last time I was here. Just around this corner here. I've probably still got the footage, so I'll cut to it now. Oh my god, it's deer! It's deer! I've never seen them in the daytime. Go on, go with your mum. Don't run across the road. I've never seen them in the daytime. I've only ever had a deer cross the road at night. My god. And they're around here. There's a housing estate just over there. That's mental. But I'm really pleased as well. Yay. As you can tell, I was very surprised. Okay, so no deer today. Oh, that's that guy that we passed earlier, who then passed me again while I was stopped for a smoke. Dude whipping around in his mobility scooter. Fair play to him. And then his crony with his fat-wheeled bicycle. Might have been an electric bike, I don't know, I couldn't tell. Can't believe how warm it's been the last few days. I was going to come out yesterday, but it was like 34 degrees. So that's, hang on, 34, so that's 68. Like about 98, something like that? No. Hope you enjoyed the ride.